think about it, we've been generating power the same way for so long. The turbine's 140, 150 years old. Now we have a solid state generator using thermal electrics.
What's the goal by 2030?
30% thermal efficiency by 2030. We feel that responsibility to really drive this into the industry and make that impact.
I mean, we talk about this often, but I think it's useful to just go through the benefits of a solid state generator versus it's the old technology with all the moving parts.
Well, I mean, if you think about the way that turbines have worked, they have, as you said, lots of moving parts. That's a lot of O&M that needs to put into that, operations and maintenance. There's chemicals that go into that. Often you have to hire a power plant engineer to run this machine. So when you think about something that has very low operational maintenance requirements, just sits there quietly, no vibration, no sound, just generating electricity.
It's waste heat that we're tackling, and industrial waste heat in particular. And we throw out the stat that 60% of the energy that's used globally to power industry just dissipates as waste heat. That's 60 cents on every dollar spent by industry around the world. And why is it significant when you think of a growth potential and the impact that this can really deliver?
There's really three different types of waste heat. There's a low grade, a mid grade, and a high grade. We sit in that middle area today that hasn't traditionally been addressed by anybody. And our potential as we improve, and our R&D will continue over the next years. We plan to get to about a 30% thermal efficiency. We say 30 by 30 by 2030. In doing so, that opens up that lower grade waste heat, which brings us into data centers. It brings us into really being able to address a humongous market.
To really have an impact at a global scale, we've got the first solid state generator, first commercial megawatt scale solid state generator in the works. What's needed to get to impact at scale?
We've really focused more onto use cases specifically that we find repeatability in. Painting facilities at every manufacturer out there that makes a car or a truck, those put up noxious gases. Those are mitigated very correctly with something called a thermal oxidizer. We see an integration with those. Those go across multiple industries outside of just painting facilities. So we see that repeatability where then obviously repeatability, we increase our demand, more demand, drives our costs down. As our costs come down, boy, it opens up the whole marketplace.
So a year ago, we won the Earthshot Prize, which was for us,
humongous.
A huge accomplishment, but we've been part of the community now.
Really an honor.
Yeah, a huge honor to be brought into the community.
We've had partnerships that have been absolutely incredible. I'll give you the example, Deloitte. Deloitte came in and was able to help us develop a strong plan on supply chain resiliency. To me, that was something we couldn't have done on our own.